Hello bright champs. Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore prepositions. Let's jump into our lesson. Prepositions are words that show the position or relationship between two things. They tell us where, when, or how something is happening in a sentence. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. The dog is with Nisha. Can you spot the preposition here? Yes, the word with is the preposition. It tells us where the dog is, with Nisha. Example 2. I was born in May. What verb tells us when something happened? That's right. In is the preposition. It tells us when I was born, in May. Example 3. Chaya stands beside Vineet. Can you guess the preposition? Yes, it's the word beside. It tells us where Chaya is standing, next to Vineet. Prepositions help connect people, places, and things. Words like in, on, under, beside, near, behind, before, and many more are all prepositions. Activity time! Let's do this activity together. Help box challenge. We will now fill in the blanks with the prepositions given in the box. Sentence 1. I was not able to reach the school time. What tells us when something happened? Yes, we use at for exact time. Correct sentence. I was not able to reach the school at time. Sentence 2. I will meet you the maths class the library. Ooh, this one has 2 blanks. Where will we meet? First, outside the maths class. And how close? Near the library. Correct sentence. I will meet you outside the maths class, near the library. Sentence 3. A dog appeared the house. Can you picture the dog running out? Yes, the word from tells us where it came from. Correct sentence. A dog appeared from the house. Sentence 4. Our sports teacher said, climb the tree at once. What's the direction here? The teacher wants us to climb down. Correct sentence. Climb down the tree at once. Sentence 5. Our summer holidays will start June. Yay, holidays! The word in tells us the month, a time. Correct sentence. Our summer holidays will start in June. Sentence 6. Keep my watch the bed. Where should the watch be? Yes, on the bed. Correct sentence. Keep my watch on the bed. Let's learn about some tiny but powerful words. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place help us know where something is. Today, we'll look at 3 special ones: at, on, and in. At is used for specific addresses, points, or places. Example, my friend Shri lives at 39 West, New York City. It tells us the exact location. On is used to talk about the names of roads, streets, avenues, etc. The town gym is on West Street. Now we know where to find the gym. In is used for the names of large land areas like countries, states, and towns. Example, the local people build beautiful buildings in India. That's a large area, so we use in. Activity time. Some sentences have silly mistakes with prepositions, and we're going to fix them together. I am sitting on the table. Are you really sitting on the table or maybe at the table? The correct sentence is, I am sitting at the table. The dog is sleeping in the table. Is the dog hiding inside the table? Let's fix it. The correct sentence is, the dog is sleeping under the table. My cousin was born at 1992. We don't use at with years. Let's fix it. The correct sentence is, my cousin was born in 1992. I stay in home to study. We say at home. So the correct sentence is, I stay at home to study. Tuck over your shirt. Shirts don't go over, they go in. The correct sentence is, tuck in your shirt. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक. चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ. बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो.